Oh, let me tell you, things are going to get a whole lot sweeter in this canteen because Debby Stroud is here, the owner of Hotti Biscotti, in our canteen, showing the local made from scratch desserts.
Hello.
Hello, Debbie.
Hi, Tim.
I'm so happy you're
and
here.
I'm here.
Because I got a bit of a sweet tooth, and you like to make sweets.
I love it.
You love to bake.
I love to bake.
And that's what got you started in Hotti Biscotti.
Yes, it did. Yeah.
You had another career going, and then you're just like, I love to bake. Let's try to tackle this.
Let's give this a try at middle age.
Yeah. Is it? Did you go with Biscottis because you had the name Hotti Biscotti? Because
No.
that's like the best name out there.
Actually, I started baking other things. Actually, in the 80s, I had a business called Hugs and Quiches. So I went around to restaurants with quiche. I know, corny names
These
are in
great,
my...
though, but they stick in people's minds.
That's it. It's corny, but people remember it. So my friend thought of the name Hotti Biscotti, and it just kind of stuck. Okay. And then I just took it and flew with it.
This is a biscotti.
Yes.
What is a biscotti?
So it's a twice-baked cookie. Traditionally, it's hard and dry. Ours are softer, more like a sugar cookie texture.
Okay.
So this is the cinnamon toasted almond, which is the most popular because we put chocolate on it, which you're going to do.
Right.
And then we put score bits on top, and then a little white chocolate on top. So we have about 18 to 20 different flavors. We've got some festive flavors, gingerbread and candy cane, and then during the fall, we have pumpkin spice and apple, cinnamon, walnut. And yeah, so it's, again, we do favors and platters and...
Because biscotti's like, I always think biscotti with like a coffee or tea, like and dipping it in there.
Yeah,
that's
well, traditionally that's what it was made for hot coffee that you can soak because it was hard and dry and you had to soak it in hot coffee in order for it to soften up a little bit. Ours, you don't have to. You can if you want to, but you don't have to.
Okay, you want to do this?
Yeah, let's do it.
So I have this one. I'm using this chocolate, right?
So I'm going to do this one. Okay. So what
what's,
you do
what's
is
that one again?
This is vanilla birthday cake,
vanilla birthday
and I'm
cake.
going to put some sprinkles. Those are the sprinkles that we'll put on.
Okay.
So what you do is you just kind of splash like that.
Oh,
yep,
okay.
Like that. So you kind of hold it like a pencil. That's good. Okay. Okay, maybe a little more. You could put a little bit more on.
Well, a little shrapnel everywhere.
Okay, and I'm going to put some sprinkles on. Or you know what? I'll put some pumpkin colors. Yeah, we do a lot of...
Is that good?
That is perfect.
What am I... I'm putting
so now
the caramel...
you can put some of those on.
Oh. Do we taste test these?
Yeah, you can. Score. Everything tastes better with score.
Oh, yes. Wow.
Good. Good. Yeah, just load it up.
We'll just load it up.
Yep. Good. And then we put a little white splash on top.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's the score. This is vanilla birthday cake. We've got 18 different flavors. And you can do...
This is the chocolate one?
Yeah, that's chocolate. So you can do a little chocolate.
Can I do a chocolate one too?
You can do chocolate, and then you can put a little bit of almonds on top.
Can I use this one?
You can if you want to, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to get...
Yeah.
And do you do all this baking by yourself?
I have a couple staff that help out, amazing staff. And
they do a better job than I can. Look at this mess from the overhead camera, Debbie. We should mention too, because you've had a couple different locations. So you started in Westdale.
We started in Westdale in 2011, and we moved in 2015 to James North. And right before, about a month before COVID, we moved to the Hamilton Farmers Market.
Oh, okay, so how's the market going?
Yeah, the market's going well, and they just changed the hour. There you go. That's perfect. And the market just changed their hours.
There you go, Deb. Who wants that
That's
one?
yours.
Who wants that one? Oh my goodness. They changed their hours.
Yeah, they just changed their hours, so now we're there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, and up until 5 o'clock.
Up until 5.
Right.
We're there Fridays until 6. And yeah, so come on down to the market. We do platters, we do gift
look
boxes.
At this platter.
All sorts of favors for weddings and showers.
Look at that one over there.
Yeah, that's a pretty decent one.
Look at that. What are these?
Okay,
these are little pretzels?
You've got to try that. So those are probably one of the most popular. Other than our biscotti,
He says I have to try
you have to try it.
Okay, fine.
That is a caramel chocolate toffee pretzel with score bits on it. Because again, everything tastes better with score.
But it's not hard like a pretzel.
No, it's not. Because of the caramel, it kind of softens it up a little bit. So it's almost like a pretzel Twix. Isn't that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, Twix is like my favorite chocolate bar.
So we have those in bags. We have them in single sticks that you can get at our store, and they are extremely popular.
What are these things over
here? So these are chocolate marshmallows.
Can you bring one over here?
I can, yeah. Okay, so these are Twinkies. So those are chocolate Twinkies.
Way.
They're kind of fun. We've got these... and these are chocolate marshmallows. So again, we do all sorts of different themes for any kind of holiday.
Are you always trying to come up with different stuff?
It.
Like,
yeah.
So do you have a test kitchen? Like, who do you?
The kitchen at the store.
Okay, so then who eats the test stuff? Is there somebody that you need a volunteer to do that?
You can come over anytime, Tim. You can come over and try.
Deb, you can see my skills of like baking and decorating. If you need like an official tester, maybe I should do that. We got to get going, but quickly, like
Yes.
you've made some biscottis for some pretty well-known people too.
Yeah. We had, when Oprah was here for her inspirational tour, we supplied her VIP room.
No way!
So I got to have my picture taken, and I gave her a gift box. So whether she ate it or not, I mean, I'd like to think she ate it and loved it. And yeah,
That's
so
really-
that was kind of cool. And then Steve Sharifa from the Sopranos, he had a trailer.
Awesome!
He had a trailer right in front when he was doing a movie right around Westdale. And I went into his trailer, I gave him a bag of biscotti, and then he came over and he thanked us, and we had our picture
Did
taken.
he have one of these Twinkie numbers? Oh, that's not your regular. Oh, that's a Twinkie?
That's a Twinkie.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay, where do we go? Where do we from?
HottiBiscotti.com.
Yeah.
Please check us out.
Okay.
Instagram, we're on Instagram.
All right.
And,
we'll hook it up with our website too, and let's see if I can eat this whole Twinkie in the break. Okay, bye.